Okay, we keep coming along in the refurbishing of this PlasticPanzer T34. Here's what I call my weathering palette. There's actually two more colors which I'm not using right now. Dectan, desert yellow. There's white, buff, khaki, and flat earth. With those four colors, again, I've always mentioned that the idea is to get a lot of variety. I'm actually going to get a dip of the brush because I've been doing this for about 10 minutes. And even though the new paint helps out not to get the paintbrush too stiff and clogged up with paint. Again, I mix a little bit of, just looking for a variety. I have those bottles and I label them L, which is the ones I use for the dry brushing. And using the air gun is fine. Like I could get dirt on this area, but it's too uniform for my taste and for this scale. So I use dry brushing, basically go over not any particular edges or areas. I'm just looking for variety in different tones, in different earth colors. I already glued the new log. I think it looks much better than the old one. So I just, go over, make the mix a little lighter, add some more khaki. Get most of it off, and then just if you once in a while get like an irregular blotch, it's fine. That's what you're looking for. See that there? That's fine. I'm not gonna try to tone that down. Front and some lighter touches here. Plenty of paper towel always. One thing, if you're gonna be dry brushing with acrylics, gotta work kind of fast. The idea. The only thing I might add after this, I have to put the machine gun back in place. The only thing I might add after this is like a dusting with flat earth, or maybe flat earth and buff. And I just love the look of, like when you look at the tank, you say, well, what color is it painted? You can't even tell because there's so many different colors on, if you're looking closely. What I'll never be happy is with just a, you know, a one color flat. You know, the texture, this dry brushing gives it depth, variety, and that's what I like to see. I go a little bit darker in there, just add a little wash to give that visor a little more character. Oh, got my hands dirty, that's a problem. You don't want any fingerprints over your own tank. Hope some of this comes through on the I let the rolls more or less the same as they were before. I think I actually had some extra rope there. I'll just throw it in there towards the end. Okay. How's it looking? It's looking fine. Okay, or later.